diversity to it. This is the E58 drone, foldable. Fits right in your pocket. Diversity to it. If you have a new drone, use all the safety precautions that are available to you because you're going to destroy it. I mean, this one, 40, 50 bucks. You tear it up, it's gone. If you don't have spare parts or know how to hack it. However, I have a problem and solution right now. If you don't have a clue to how this thing flies, how they fly, and you want to practice in a safe environment, take some yarn or string and tie it to your drone from the bottom. Find a way to get it on the bottom. And at the other end, put a weight. Now you can make this as long as you want, but the idea is to keep it from flying away if you get out of range and causing damage, okay? Now, this is going to look stupid if you're out in public, but that's fine. It's your drone. You're trying not to destroy it. I did this on the beach. And you are ready to practice with your E58. So let's go.